However, as Nigerians await the verdict of the Presidential Election Tribunal, a former military governor of the former Ondo State, Bode George, expressed fear that the nation could descend into chaos if the plaintiff and defendant win the case. He made a statement in a speech at the 5th annual conference organized by Freedom Online. Bode George, a former military governor of the former Ondo State, expressed concern about what would happen if the court decision went to either President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the All Progressive Congress, and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), who are the defendants in the case, or the plaintiff, the Labour Party Peter Obi, and the PDP Atiku Abubakar, who are the presidential candidates and plaintiffs. We are in a situation where if the court favors A, there will be problem, and if the court favors B, there will be problem. The way most of our elected leaders are taking their lives is like there is no tomorrow. May God forgive our transgression and guide our political leaders to ensure a good life for all Nigerians. The way most of our elected leaders are taking their lives is like there is no tomorrow. May God forgive our transgression and guide our political leaders to ensure a good life for all Nigerians. Bode George also criticized the political class for marginalizing and oppressing the less privileged in the society. According to his words, enough of this deception, enough of this rot in the economic governance of our nation. Let's put an end to economic inequality, injustice, and unfairness in the distribution of the resources God has given us and our financial wealth. A situation where a sitting senator receives 23 million euros per month, a retired permanent federal secretary receives 1 million euros per month, a retired general receives 250,000 euros per month, a retired military general receives 250,000 euros of pension per month is despicable, confusing, meaningless, and represents pure systemic failure. We are not talking about distributing stopgap measures. We are not talking about distributing stopgap measures to mitigate the impact of the removal of fuel subsidies. But how are these stopgap measures to be distributed? A quick reminder of the 500 billion naira previously collected every month and allegedly distributed without data or accountability cries out for a thorough investigation and punishment. I weep for my country Nigeria, but if it is as the prophet Micah said, our nation will rise again if we put the fear of God before all human endeavors, he stated. Bode George, who attended the event as the guest of honor, said that the Nigerian constitution was written by the military by copying the American system and therefore was not useful.